Hey everyone, let's set up our workout timer and overlays by FitCut Pro inside Zoom to rock your next workout. First, open Zoom and sign in. Once logged in, install our Zoom app, Workout Timer and Overlays by FitCut Pro using the link we provided from the Zoom app marketplace. Now you can start your Zoom meeting. At the bottom of your meeting window, click Apps. If you don't see it, click the More button, select our workout timer, and once it loads, you'll see a login screen. Before we log in, we need a workout plan. Head over to the website by clicking here and create a user if you don't already have one. It's quick and it's easy. Once you've got an account, create a workout plan under the Workouts tab and save it. Now that your plan's ready, return to your Zoom meeting window, enter your login details, and you'll see the main screen. Make sure your camera is on so your class can see you. Your workout plan should appear in the drop-down menu. Next, customize your workout style by clicking Switch Style. Choose a theme color and pick one and a font that fits your vibe. Now, let's crush that workout. Hit play to start the session. You can pause or skip sets at any time. Get ready to sweat and have fun. Oh, by the way, it's also easy to display the next exercise video. You can go back to our website, upload video clips for your exercises, and select the workout again on Zoom. Now you have a truly professional looking Zoom workout that your trainees will enjoy.